Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to personalize your TradingView charts to make them easier on the eyes or just a bit more your style, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to change the background color in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tweak your charts so they're less distracting, more readable, or simply a better fit for your workflow. Whether you're after a gentle gray for those late nights, a bright white for daytime, or even a stylish gradient, I'll show you how to get it done step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open up TradingView. Just head to TradingView.com in your browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the screen and find the option labeled Products. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, select Chart. This brings up the main grid view where most of your charting action happens. Now, to make changes to the chart itself, move your mouse over the grid area. This is where all the candles or bars are displayed, depending on how you set your chart up. Give that grid a right-click. This right-click menu is your gateway to tons of customization options on TradingView, including what we need today. From the menu that pops up, find and click on Settings. It might take just a second for the settings window to appear, but don't worry if it feels like it's taking a bit. Sometimes there's a short pause, especially if you have a lot of charts open at once. Once the settings panel is open, you'll see a bunch of tabs along the left side. What we're after today is the Canvas tab, so go ahead and click on that. Now here, where things get customizable. Under the Canvas section, you'll see the background option. This is where you set the visual tone for your entire chart workspace. You have two main choices: solid if you want a single color throughout, or gradient if you'd like to blend two colors together. Solid is straightforward, a classic choice, and great if you want to reduce distractions or just keep things simple. But if you're feeling creative, gradients can be a fun way to give your charts a subtle, personalized flair. For example, I like to use a light blue fading into white for early morning trading sessions, just for a bit of calm. Select either solid or gradient, depending on your preference. If you go with gradient, you'll get to pick two different colors, one for the top and one for the bottom of your chart. Try playing around with different combinations until you find one that feels comfortable and suits your needs. Don't worry if it looks odd at first, you can always change it again later, so feel free to experiment. Once you're happy with your background color or gradient, just click OK at the bottom of the settings window, and that's it. Your chart will instantly update with the new background, making it easier to focus, or just a bit more visually appealing for those long trading sessions. If you've got any favorite color combos for working late or trading fast markets, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. And as always, if you have any questions or hit any snags, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy trading.